wanted to share with y'all my little spa regimen that I got going on here. So I love to do my spas every now and then, take care of the body. I go and I rotate between different areas. So right here I got my Jade and Emerald infrared mat, heating mat. I normally lay on my back on that. Helps to detox, relax muscles, get energy flowing. Over here I got the UV wand. The UV wand, I love using that. Just help open the pores on the skin, activate energy. Y'all probably saw one of these before. I mean, I use this stuff all the time. I think I gotta plug it back up. It's unplugged. So I'm gonna plug that up. That's the UV wand. Over here, I got my foot bath soap. Sometimes I just do just plain water, but of course, I like to mix it up. One of my favorites is I use the alder leaf. Now, you probably don't hear a lot of people talk about alder from the alder tree, but this, you won't normally hear about people using this as a foot remedy. In fact, it's hard to find these leaves, period. I couldn't even find them just regular online or on Amazon. I literally had to go on Etsy to get these. But these are excellent for feet soaks, feet pain, before or after. I normally do it when I'm out at vending events and I'm selling products and I've been on my feet all day talking to customers. I come home and do this, but when I do my spa days, I do this as well, and I'm gonna mix it with the Epsom salt. I also do heating pads. Sometimes I put that on my back. I got my neck decompression. I just pump that up using the pumper right here, and go ahead and pump my neck up, decompress the neck, and I also put on my infrared mask. And then I work on a few kinks with the massage gun, and we got the different heads that we use working with one hand. But this is my regimen. This is something that I've been doing for years, and it's just a way to keep the body together. I got my essential oils going, the diffuser up there. I got another one over here as well. So they pumping off real good smells off in the room, and I got the music going. And a lot of times I like to add the bath with it as well. So, and if y'all want to know an excellent bath, I'm talking about, you ever seen Dragon Ball Z, where they get in the healing chamber? Check out my video called Real Life Dragon Ball Z Healing Chamber. That's how I take baths. That's how you up your bath game. So I just wanted to share my regimen, my spa regimen with y'all. Can't forget the H2O. Can't forget the good old H2O. And this is actually charged water, and it gets into the cells quick. So we hydrate, we relax, we detox, we feel good. And I just wanted to share y'all with that. Hope y'all can incorporate some of these things. Sometimes I do the neti pot and ionic foot baths as well with the salt. But today we're just doing the alder. Oh, let me forget my reflexology shoes. The reflexology shoes, I normally walk around in these prior to getting on these stations and while I'm setting up the station. So I hope y'all, was able to get something from this video. I'll be uploading more content. Like I said, I'm gonna keep on uploading content, start bringing y'all into my secret life, my life, the life of me, stuff that I've been doing for years, and I just never shared with anyone. But it's time. It's time. I told y'all I was gonna do it. I'm there now. So hope y'all get some of this. Once again, if you getting some from this video, like, subscribe, and please go check out my video, the Real Life Dragon Ball Z Healing Machine. so you can figure out how to take your baths to the next level. I'll see y'all on the next one.